Where's your eyes?
I.
Where's your head? Where's your head? Where's your nose?
Yeah.
Where's your mouth? Oh, your mouth. Where's your ears?
Yeah.
Where's your neck? Where's your head? Where's your head? Head. What's your name? Hami? Rita?
Yeah.
I'm Michuanai.
Nene.
How old are you?
Wait.
1. Bye, baby. Kiss, blow kiss. Blow kiss.
We're taking you back to memory lane, where we all began to sing, and everything is beauty. We're taking you back to memory lane, where we all began to sing, everything, something. You are so incredible, and I can't stop thinking about you. And they wanna know which way to go to memory lane, and everybody wants to sing that song. We're taking you back to memory lane, where we all began to sing, and everything and beauty. We're taking you back to memory lane, where we all began to sing. You a story about me and my boy Samson. I since and I when we were such a young lad.
Ai whaakari lei mai.
Lei mai makau laua.
E lawa mākou.
Imam,
Ea,
Oi,
wa uma, whai a pō.
Thank you very much. Sister from Matuainu. Pataya mole avanoa. Wong fai foi ona asiasi mai ai. Ai manuia la malanga taiao. Ia msaloi ma foi sisi ma rosi fou pe a watu go el Samoa. Ai ben fai atu mantua mai matua las. Maru. Pataya. Komai.
E na mea suna mo.
oi, no mai. Ne laua mako. Laua leng. Ya makuya pal pamuri.
Daddy. Daddy on the phone. I keep
Me and my boy Samson, I since and I when we were such a young lad in the beginning. When me was a little seedling, me have to mix and mingle with the other kids easy. So me make friends forgot, turn me enemies, not into black dogs, but like Balamis. Jalo with me cool day out and weekly. Play the rubber picture we got on TV. Back then, me wasn't into girls, me just wanted to make some money. Me have to think twice about my future. What all me really wanted to do is sing. Let me sing.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on. Open up my mind with these spoken words. Let this music heal like an overture. She's the only one, yeah, yeah. And so I roll with her. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Living life with loved ones close to me. Shh, this is the remedy, and I got the recipe. I don't need no Hennessy. Yeah, it's been 9 months now. Haven't had a drink and I'm starting to see clear now. I'm putting all my fears down. I can hear the cheers now. Seeing peace signs when I look around. Hey, young homie, what you tripping on? Looking at life like, how did I get it wrong? Life's too short, gotta live it long. To my brothers and sisters from where we get along. Hey, young homie, what you tripping on? Looking at life like, how did I get it wrong? Life's too short, gotta live it long. To my brothers and sisters from where we get along.
Hey guys. Go ahead, go on. Okay. It's gonna be a minute.
Pertama. Cuma ini dulu bang. Tuh ya.
Ya Allah, Allah. Pak. Travis.
Hi, Travis.
How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good time that made us laugh, outweigh them bad. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.